My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. These aren't infomercials. I try to tell you what you need to know. And today we're going to talk about the infamous CP 504 and what you need to do after you receive it. First of all, who am I? I've worked thousands of cases. I worked at IRS a decade. I'm a national figure in resolution. Go to my website at 777. IRS.com. I have a very large Facebook group in resolution. I have my own tax conference every year called the Tax Mob. I've been on Fox, ABC, NBC, all those stations that you need to know about. Anyway, as a former revenue officer, I used to go ahead and enforce the law if you owed IRS tax debt. And before someone like me would get the case for enforcement, IRS goes through a series of letters to send individuals, and the CP 504 is one of the very last. There's one more that comes after this, but the CP 504 IRS means business. There's no question. So what do you do next? Well, you got to make a decision now what you want to do with your IRS collection case. You've run the gamut of IRS letters, and now they're saying, hey, what do you want to do? IRS really has been nice up to this point. These letters have come over, 4 or 5 months now, and now IRS is serious about collecting the money. So what is IRS going to do, and what do you have to do? Well, IRS's case right now is all in their computer system. It's the K2 computer system. And you have to turn the key off to the enforcement computer. Your case isn't sitting with the person, it's sitting in a system. And all they do is send out letters in 6 weeks intervals. Okay, that's all they do. 6 weeks intervals, they send out a new one. They're called cycles, a 6-week cycle at IRS. So now that you have this letter, IRS is saying, shut off the system, close your case. What do you want to do with your debt? So someone on your behalf or you will have to call IRS and deal with your tax debt. If not, IRS can do 4 really bad things, and they will do them. Levy your bank account, garnish your wages, revoke your passport, and file a federal tax lien. So now at this point in time, you need to decide to know what you're going to do. At some point, you're going to have to give IRS a fine. First of all, file all your returns. All have got to be filed. You're going to have to give IRS a financial statement. And with that, that will make a determination as to how IRS is going to close your case. How can your cases be closed? By currently non-collectible, by payment agreement, or an offer in compromise. So someone like me takes a look at your financial statement. Our firm submits a power of attorney, and then from that point we go ahead and talk to you about how we're going to resolve your case in your best interest, so IRS doesn't take all the stuff you have. Anyway, you must respond to that CP 504, but at the end of the day, you got to be serious about this debt, because IRS is fully serious. I used to collect money for IRS. I used to take wages. I used to take all this stuff. Don't mess around with this CP 504. If you need me, give me a call. Don't stand idle. By the way, you have about 30 days, 60 days, so don't worry about it. But until then, boom, hire someone or pick up the phone. Anyway, thank you very much. I'm the IRS Insider. Let me know what you need. Always love subscriptions. Thank you.